I was thinking about what it is about a chemistry degree from Loras, what that means. And it's more than just the basics, right? You get the basics here, you understand, they teach you what you need to teach you, you get the one-on-one faculty interaction, you get the small class sizes. But I was thinking about it in the context of the whole, and I think what Loras does for you is it helps you to become this thing called an integral thinker. There is no class called creativity, right? You don't go to Creativity 101 and learn how to be creative. So when you get all the other things that Loras teaches you on top of the chemistry degree, that is one of the differentiators. And I think that that is the foundation that helped me get to where I am now. I've had a successful career, and the trajectory that I'm on is one that I'd like to be on, and I credit a lot of that to the foundation that I got here at Loras, to be honest with you. I was Dr. Ostendorp's first advisee. So he was the one in my sophomore year telling me what I should do as a student here, and I dare say that he guided me well. I've regarded the leadership and friendship after graduating here of Dr. Speckard. I've always looked up to and remember being taught organic chemistry by Ken Krause. And I feel like it was in organic chemistry here at Loras where I felt like I should become a chemist. And I attribute that to Ken Krause, and I've told him so in the past. Then of course there's Dr. Binns. There are things that he taught me about analytical chemistry that when I'm doing that now in my job, that I remember the words that he said, and I think I'm better for it. Same thing with Bob Ruland. Not to say that P-Chem wasn't one of the hardest classes I ever took, but it was one of the few classes I quizzed out of in grad school, and I attribute that to him. All of them were patient. All of them worked with a guy who, at times, chemistry was hard for. So they took the time to make sure that I didn't fall between the cracks, and really helped set the foundation for what I've become. And I think most of them are kind of surprised that I did as well as I did, including myself sometimes. But yeah, the faculty here are excellent. And you know, then you look at the new faculty, Adam Mosier. The guy's a ball of energy. I'm very excited about what he brings to the table, and I think that the future's very bright with a guy like that on hand. You're not going to go to college at more than one school, so you're not going to know what you're getting if you go somewhere other than Loras. But I can tell you what you got. I can tell you what you get at Loras. You're going to get something that you're not going to get anywhere else, and it's the kind of thing. It's the educational experience that 20, 25 years after you've graduated, you're going to want to come back and tell future students that this is the place you should go. I'm really excited about the future of the chemistry department. It is the kind of place worth going to. It's an excellent education, and I think the future is really bright for the chemistry department at Loras College.